Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Perplexity AI is lagging, crashing or not loading properly, clearing cache can quickly fix many common issues. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to clear cache in Perplexity AI on any device effectively. So first thing first, identify your device. So cache clearing depends on iPhone or Android or PC. Okay, so choose your method first. For example, clear cache on Android, you can go to settings, tap apps, and then look for Perplexity AI and select storage and then tap clear cache. Okay, so it's done instantly. Clear cache on iPhone, on the other hand, iPhone doesn't have direct cache button. So you have to do this instead. For example, go to settings, go to general, tap iPhone storage, tap Perplexity AI or look for Perplexity AI, select offload app or delete app, and then after that reinstall from App Store. Okay, so it's the best alternative method. Now let's talk about clear cache on browser. So browser, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Okay, so select cached images and files, click clear data. This removes stored cache. Okay, on Safari on the other hand, clear cache on Safari, you can go to settings, tap Safari, tap clear history and website data. It's clean browser cache. Okay, so you can also restart the app, so close Perplexity completely and reopen it. Okay, or log back in if needed, so enter your email details, restore access. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.